Ever zoomed into a photo and thought, why does it still look blurry? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 can actually capture those tiny, hidden details like a pro macro camera. You just need the right trick to unlock it. First, open the camera app on your phone. To start with a simple method, move your phone close to the subject and use zoom between 3x to 5x. This helps you focus on small details without getting too close. If you zoom too much, the image may look blurry, so try to stay within a balanced range for better clarity. Now, if you want more professional quality Macroshots, go to the Galaxy Store and search for Samsung Expert RAW. Download and install it. After installation, open your camera again and go to More mode. Then select Expert RAW. Allow all permissions when prompted. Inside Expert RAW, choose a lens like wide or ultra-wide depending on your distance. Then tap and hold to focus. Slowly move your phone closer to the subject and adjust the distance until the image looks sharp and clear. Once everything looks clear and detailed, tap the shutter button and take the photo. After capturing, open the image. You'll see a much more detailed, natural-looking macro-style shot. Now, you don't need a professional camera to capture tiny details. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time.